Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today what I'm gonna do is replace this beautiful Tesla style radio with the new style radio. Well, the reason is I do love everything that's here, but my friend saw this and he said he won one exact like this. So I just took this opportunity to just sell him this one and get the new one with the better resolution and a little bit better spec. So this one come with the resolution is 1280 by 720, um and with 6 gig of RAM and then 128 gig of internal storage. So my new unit is gonna be, it's a little different. It's not the Tesla style radio. It's kind of like half up here. Um, so the other one is a 2K resolution. So it's almost like double the resolution of this. Um, and also the spec is a little bit better. It just add more RAM. This one is 6 gig of RAM. The other one's 8 gig of RAM. So I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna replace with the new one, and then I'm gonna sell this to my friend. So so let's get started. So it's basically, this thing is pretty easy to take it out. All you need to just pry this piece out, and then basically just clip. So you just remove this whole piece out, and it's pretty simple. And when I get to remove all the part, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, all right. So here is the new unit. So they come with a lot of cable in the back that you plug in, and this is the new unit right here. Let me take it out. So here it is. Here's the new unit. So this one, the resolution is a lot higher. It's 2K, so it's 2000 by 1250, I think. So, and you get a 10-inch on the side way instead of the horizontal way, the vertical way. So here it is. I'll go ahead and transfer all the plug in over this side, and I'll go ahead and do the installation. Okay, let me give you some tip if you bought this. Okay, so basically this unit is already come with the whole cover on top, including this two hole in the ventilation, the vent, right? So what you need to do is you have to remove this, the old vent right here. So you have to remove the funnel inside, both of them, and this, and then install into the new one. This two hoop right here, this two funnel right here, the hoop tube that you have. But in order to fit both of them in, remember this, the new one, they don't have the straw right here, but the OEM, they have it. This one for opening the vent, and the one that come with the radio, it does not. So basically you have to remove both of them. Look, you have to remove it, both of them, before you install in here. And they have two clips on the back for each side and two clips on the front. So basically you push it into the right direction, and then it should clip in. So there's some limitation because this thing will be always open since there's no close switch, and also is it's a little stiff when you're moving back and forth, and there's a limitation between open it and close. So that's the thing you have to sacrifice when you bought this type of radio. So let me get this inside, and then I'm gonna install it, and I'll show you the whole thing. So I think to me it's the hardest part is to remove that vent, and then put it into the new one, because it's really it's not 100% fit. Somehow this side fit easier. This side it fit much easier than this one. This one will give me a hard time. Basically all you need to do is the original cable plus this one. This one I don't use any entertainment system in the back, so I don't need to use all this. The only thing I need is this one right here. This plug right here. This is for the fan. So this is for the fan plug right here. That's the only really used for. And the rest of the wire harness is just basically just plug and play. There's come out 3 plug, and all you need is just plug it into your system. That's it. And you plug this from the back. And then I got the USB cable. And you also plug it from in the back of the radio. And all you need is just push it in, because all of them are basically just clip. See, clip. I used the old clip from the old system, and then just plug it in here. So let me install it in, and I'll show you the finished product. All right. So here it is. Here's the final product. So I got everything plugged in. Everything's working. The screen, everything's working fine. As you can see, there's a little gap up here. It's not 100%, but overall it look all right, because I understand this, this is from China, so this is cheap plastic, so that's why you see the gap. So basically everything fit in correctly, and the screen looked pretty nice, big, wide, and everything is back to normal it is. Now the only problem I have is they said they have a lot of launcher in here, but this the only one they have in here. As you can see, let me go to the factory 3368, and you can see right here there's only one launcher, and they told in the description there's a whole bunch of launcher, but this is only one. See right here. See, there's only one, and it's supposed to be like a whole bunch of them. So that's all I got. So I'm gonna email them and talk to them and see what are they gonna do and install more launcher on it. But overall, it's good. Let's run the spec. Here you got 8-core device. Let me skip this. Close it. Okay, so you see it's 2000 by 1200. That's a 2K resolution, and as you can see right here, 8 gig RAM. Okay, and 128 gig of memory storage. So it's correct. The way they get the spec is right. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close all this, and let me see. Let's go back to home. As you can see, the map is working. All right, and then let me see. You put on some video. It's working good, as you can see. The color is very bright. It's really nice. Let me see. Let me go back. So you got the radio station. I haven't do the car yet. The Android Auto yet, but I assume it's gonna work. So I got the everything should be working nicely. So it should play because I don't want to turn on the volume because I don't want to get the copyright. So everything is looking good. The screen look nice, and go general device display. Let me see wallpaper. No, let's go back to the live wallpaper that I have. Home screen. So the live wallpaper is good in the background. I'm just gonna tell them I need another launcher in this one because in the description they have a lot of launcher in it. So that's it for video, and this is the maximum you can go. So basically, you can move this back and forth, but up and down. But that's the maximum you can go because the screen is so big they block everything. And I got everything working, so the screen looked great. And that's it for this video. And oh, I was able to get the key, the shortcut key on the steering wheel to work in here. All you need to do is just go to setting, and I think you go to learning key something. Let me see right here somewhere. Factory something learning. Steering wheel right here. That's where you're going and do the setting for it. So all you do is you press and hold whatever key you want, and then they ask you here to select what is for. So like for me, I did the volume up and down, and then the skip, and then the mode I use it for home. So if I click the mode right now, it's gonna go back to home. Okay, this is in learning, so I cannot do that. So I'll go back. Let's say right here, if I press no, if I press the mode, it's gonna go back to home. See, because that's how I set up. Press the mode and go back to home. Look, so it's easy for me. That's so you can configure whatever custom whatever you want. And that's it for this video. And I hope you guys I hope it will help you out if you ever want to buy this kind of unit. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.